Hey YouTube, I've just received my knife in the mail. I already took it out of its packaging, and I wanted to open this with you guys. So here's the knife. This is Victorinox Tinker. Not the plus or the small or the deluxe, just the original Tinker. And I'm gonna put this down. Here is the blade. It is a fairly large blade. I mean, you're not gonna be able to like kill anybody with this. Well, you can, but not easily. But you could hurt somebody with this. You're just not gonna hurt them bad. And then it comes with the tweezers, the toothpick, the screwdriver, the punchy hole thing, the reamer, and then the knife. The secondary blade is right here, and this is the bottle opener, and this is the can opener. Now I'll set everything down, and then I'll just do it, because I can't do it with only one hand. I'm afraid I'll cut myself. Hold on 1 second, guys. There is the reamer right there, and there's the screwdriver. They are really, really stiff right now, and it doesn't help that I just cut my nails. So there's those. Here is the can opener. Here's the bottle whoops. Sorry about that. The bottle opener with the flathead and the wire stripper. And then that's just that, the small one. Sorry I have to keep putting this down. It's just I'm using my iPod to film, and it's just hard to hold it and open up brand new stiff knives at the same time. And here is the secondary blade. I might do like a review, because after all I just did get this, and I'm not gonna say, oh my god, it's the best knife ever, when I just opened up the packaging. But it's pretty nice. I like how it's not too heavy. There's the tweezers, and it's not too light. The blade proportion is really nice, and it's really sharp. I could tell. Well, that's that. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please subscribe, because I'm going to have other knife videos, and I make a new video every Thursday from now on. And that's that. There's my knife. Up next is my EDC. EDC stands for Everyday Carry. Thank you. This is the Creeperkilla, signing off.